The yearly calendar has 12 months. The first month is January. Second month is February. Third month is March. Next is April. The fifth month is May. June is the sixth month. July is the seventh month. The eighth month is August. The ninth month is September. October is the 10th month. November is the 11th month. And December is the 12th month. Within each month, we have the weeks and the days of the week. So our calendar in the United States starts with Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you'll see sometimes you will notice that they are abbreviated, shortened to 3 letters. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The weekends are Saturday and Sunday. A week is from Sunday to Saturday. It is a week.